Huh.
You drag me out. That's what this song's all about. Tongue tangled tight. Won't help my business plans get right. Hold a somber cheer. Infectious groove. Digest your soul's what it will soothe. Radiant love. It's not really what we once thought it was. Hold a somber leer. Wait for me.
Hey folks, it's Dane, Jonah Guitar, in the middle of the ES335 build. I'm not a happy guy. Just after I sawed, after I cut the neck down to size, it took a twist on me, and this is the only neck I've ever had do this. And generally, this is why I laminate. I don't typically laminate with the same wood, and I don't. Anyway, this is the neck. You know, when I cut it in this direction, it was solid all the way, and it was straight as an arrow. Everything was perfect. As soon as I cut this piece out, well, as soon as probably overnight, I noticed it at some point after I had shaped the peg head. So I had some ideas, but I'm not going to use this blank. I just can't take the chance that even if I were to straighten it out, that it wouldn't keep moving, and I'm not going to hand a guy a guitar with a neck that might go south. So here we go. We're going to. Oh, the other part of the deal is that I've probably never been on this kind of crunch on getting something done. Pretty much. Couple days from now is when I wanted to have the lacquering finished. Okay, it's not a good reason, but ended up having to do a side job that took probably about 6 full days of time that I could have spent working on this, and so I'm behind schedule. And wasn't like I could. I didn't take it randomly. It had been scheduled, and just all kind of happened at the same time. Trying to get see if we get a good look here at this table. So this is my joiner table. It's dead flat. So you can see, I'm guessing, well, maybe you can or you can't with my arms in the way. See the rock we get here? Now, from one end of the neck to the other, I've got a good fat 1/8 of an inch of twist, and that doesn't sound like a lot in a guitar neck. That's a lot. Not to me. I thought, okay, well, I've got the high edge, wherever the high edge would have been, this corner here on the face. Maybe I could just plane, that face down, because I had enough thickness that I could do that, although it would have been marginal. But then when I started looking at the neck, where it's really, really gone off is on the peg head end. And if you set this, set it square, I know it's right up here, but you can actually see this peg head splaying out this way. So this whole thing took a twist out that way. Now, you can't take it off of this end of the neck. Even if you could, you'd still have the twist in the pig head. But because here is where you got to be square to the world, right here, across the net, where the net meets the peg head. Well, if you take material off of here, then this line is going to be coming back this way, and you're not going to be square any longer. And for 1/8 of an inch difference, it would be extremely out of square. Now, the other thing is, I have no idea if it's going to stop, right? I ordered a fretboard because I didn't have rosewood, the right kind of rosewood in the shop. So I just ordered a slotted fretboard rather than a blank. I had a whole other idea going on there, and I just can't take the time. I was going to make a miter box sliding nuts, fretboard slotting miter box. I just can't take the time to do that now. So I ordered one with slots because I was going to set the box up and use that as a blank to make another pattern. At any rate, that's a whole other story. But I can't use this, so I'm primarily pointing this out because if you see video of me gluing up another neck blank and wondering what the heck is going on, I thought I already had a neck. That's why. So there again, I don't have a lot of time to talk and explain stuff, but I wanted to at least say that much. And so I'm going to clean some debris up and pull some mahogany out and start making another neck. This actually started out as a neck that I was going to use on the Les Paul Jr. Copy, one of the ones that I was building, and so I thought I was going to save a step and just go ahead and use this blank on the 335, and it didn't work out that way. So this won't go anywhere except in my neighbor's firewood pile. I don't know. I might think of something more unique to do with it. So